This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics: legality, source reliability, and immediate supplies. Once done, contact a reputable seller or breeder and request specific phytogenic sage Chomik lineage and care notes. This ensures predictable traits and health. Make sure to prepare the holding container and substrate so you can take delivery immediately. You also want a thermometer and simple records. These first actions prevent delays and reduce stress for the organism. They set the stage for smoother transport and initial acclimation. Next, dig into verification and logistics. Request recent photos, health certificates, and any behavioral notes to judge robustness. Once satisfied, use secure payment methods and choose a tracked shipment with daytime delivery. This minimizes transit stress. When the package arrives, open it in a quiet, controlled space and transfer the phytogenic sage Chomik with calm, steady motions. Make sure to match temperatures gradually. Abrupt changes shock physiology. These careful steps reduce mortality risk and let you observe any immediate issues right. Finally, establish the permanent environment. Layered substrate for foraging, enrichment items, and a stable light-dark cycle to mimic natural rhythm. Once settled, monitor feeding, hydration, and behavior closely for 72 hours and log anything unusual so you can spot trends. If you notice lethargy, refusal to eat, or respiratory issues, act quickly. Isolate the specimen and contact the seller or a veterinarian for guidance. A single troubleshooting tip: if stress signs appear, reduce stimuli, warm gently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.